Imagine this, you are working on a project and with every line of code you write, you are not just solving a problem, but building something that scales, impresses, and stands the test of time. What if you could become the engineer that others look up to? The one who turns ideas into seamless, efficient solutions. Becoming a great software engineer is not about knowing a programming language. It's about mastering a set of skills and habits that elevate you above the rest. Let's explore the core traits and skills that make a software engineer truly exceptional. First one, mastering the fundamentals. Before diving into the latest frameworks and tools, focus on the foundational concepts that are at the core of software development. These principles will guide you no matter what technology you use. Key areas include data structures and algorithms. Knowing how to structure and process data efficiently is critical for solving real world problems. However, you really don't need to cover each and every complex algorithm in the world. That's not the case, but the most common used data structures and algorithms are highly recommended that should be at your fingertips. Next is concurrency. Understand multi-threading and parallelism to write scalable solutions. Next is on computer architecture. Learn how hardware impacts software, including memory management, caching, and I/O operations. Next on fundamentals is system design. Study how different systems operate, databases, distributed systems, network protocols, and understand their trade-offs. The deeper you can go into these layers, the better you will be at understanding how things work under the hood and building solutions that are robust and innovative. The second core skill or trait is attention to detail. Great software engineers understand that the smallest difference can make the biggest difference. A misplaced semicolon can cause errors, and overlooking edge case can lead to system failures. Attention to detail means writing clean, efficient, readable, and maintainable code, thoroughly testing your solutions as part of your devs mock tests, and being meticulous about every aspect of your work. Strive to follow coding standards and best practices. Regularly refactor and review your code. Double check for bugs, security vulnerabilities, and performance bottlenecks. Moving on to the third skill where most of the developers don't follow, that is reading documentation, books, and blogs, and in video format watching conferences. To grow as a software engineer, you need to learn from the best. Books and conferences offer unparalleled insights from industry experts. I can recommend some classic books: Clean Code, Design Patterns by the Gang of Four, The Pragmatic Programmer, and my favorite, Designing Data Intensive Applications. For conferences, you can watch or attend Google I/O, AWS reInvent, or your local tech meetups. Conferences keep you updated on the trends, teach you about emerging tools, and inspire you to tackle challenges with new perspectives. Moving on to fourth trait, not a skill, don't tie your identity to a technology. The tech landscape evolves constantly. Languages, frameworks, and tools that are cutting edge today may become obsolete tomorrow. To stay relevant, adapt a mindset of adaptability, which is really important. Focus on problem solving and foundational knowledge rather than specific tools. Always be open to learning new technologies, getting some concepts on specific language and approaches as the industry evolves. Instead of being a React developer or a Java developer or a Python developer, strive to be a problem solver irrespective of a tech stack you use. This shift allows you to pick the right tools for the job and approach challenges with flexibility and confidence. Now moving on to the last one, collaborate and communicate effectively. Most of the great software engineers are not lone wolves. They work as part of a team, share knowledge, mentoring others, and contributing to a positive development environment. To excel this, communicate clearly and effectively with both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Collaborate openly with your team and learn from their feedback. Embrace pair programming and code reviews as opportunities to grow. And to the conclusion, becoming a great software engineer is a journey, not a destination. It's about mastering the basics, staying curious, and continuously improving your skills. Focus on problem solving, stay adaptable, and never stop learning, irrespective of your years of experience. With the right mindset and habits, you will not only write good code and also build a career you are truly proud of. So, what's your first step today to becoming a great software engineer? Let me know in the comments. If these insights are helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. This is Vivek Bharta. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.